Hey everyone, welcome to the My Scaling YouTube channel. This is May 2nd, April 2nd already. Eddie was supposed to come out in day 1, but for some reason it's only available from day 2. I'm already on April 2nd. And finally we are going to get some gene changes, and this is going to be hot fixes only. The patch is still going to come on May 4th, where they are going to eventually buff characters who cannot display individuality, which is in the video that I said yesterday. But today we are going to talk about the fixes. So Jin got some fixes. This apparently this was doing inconsistent damage, and now it does quite consistent damage. Really good change. Back to 1 also hits a little bit lower on the ground, so this shouldn't be a problem. We're obviously going to check this further down with Eddie, but just trying to get the things that shouldn't be out of the way. And one of the most important changes is that Jin can now do evil intent and back forward to 3 out of hit smashes. Like for example, out of hit engagers, he can now do this. Can now do this. How cool, right? It means that this is now a real thing, right? We can now mix with this. That's good. That's pretty good. Means that now they cannot simply duck this, or they are going to take the mix up. Really good change. And finally, the last change is that his hit smash at the tip of the range no longer whiffs because the characters are brought closer to him. Oh, that's a good change. So this is mostly what have changed to Jin for these hot fixes. The rest is irrelevant. Obviously, of course, back to 1 hitting lower on. Let's see. I'm just trying to test on this. Still doesn't work. Nope. It doesn't work. But this won't whiff at all. So that is a good change. This won't whiff at all. So the hitbox of this has been expanded downwards, right? Back to. So it means that moves like this are going to be really great for Jin. Remember that he used to have some hard pickups, right? But this is going to be great. See? It's going to be great. Back to 1 used to whiff on some scenarios, but now they no longer whiff, so it means better combo conversions out of some stuff, right? Like this. This is going to be convertible now. There is quite convertible now. Yes, so these are the main changes of Jin for the odd fixes that come out from today's patch, right? I know Jin players don't like to make themselves heard. They prefer to leave things as it is. Jin is fine as it is. It doesn't need buffs, it doesn't need nerfs. Jin la 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 la, and then Namco buff something. Oh, thank God they buffed that. This is how Jin players are. But believe me, on May 4th, this character is going to get buffed. And I don't know exactly what they are going to get buffed, but probably the Omen stance, because it's the most terrible hit stuff that he has in the game. Despite people saying that Jin is fine as it is, that is not individuality displayed, and it's what they are going to buff on May 4th. Save the date. So see you guys on the next video.